1, 2, 3, 4, C. Someone told me long ago. Keep playing on C, down, down, down before the storm. To G, I know G. It's been coming for some time. So back to C. The third line. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. To G, I know, shining down like water. To C. So what you got to work on this is the C to the G. Now, a lot of people, when they do this change, you might be familiar with this. See this? My hands. See your whole hand shifting. Now that's a lot of movement. You can actually achieve that like this. So you can see here, this C, see there? To a G, watch my C to G. C, G. As opposed to C, G, C, G. Watch this, C, G. So what I'm doing is, from my C, I'm just moving the second and third finger up, because it's virtually got the shape of a G there. See with your second and third finger, and then you put your little finger down here at the bottom. That might seem hard to play at first, but trust me, it is an easier change. So you're going C, G. See how easy that looks? I'm all for making things as efficient as possible to get it smooth sounding. If you struggle with that now, don't worry, you can practice that in your own time, but bear it in mind it's a good one to change from a C to a G with your last three fingers. That looks good. You all look good doing that. Yeah, I can see you've all got that. So you can see now your wrist doesn't have to do a big movement from a C to a G. All right, let's try it again. So from the C, I want you to read this along now. So someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. So when I say I know, that's where you got to hit the G. I know it's been coming, and then C for some time on the 4. Okay, you ready? From the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know G. It's been coming to C for some time. And then you stay on C. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. And I know G, shining down to C like a water. Okay, so let's have a look at this chorus. Once you've learned that verse and this bit of the chorus, that's pretty much the whole song. So here you've got the F to a G. Let me just get the chords on here. Oh wait, there. F to G, which is here, this. So 4 beats on the F. 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. C first. So C. And then to get to the C over B, so stay on the C. What that means is you've got a C chord with a B in the root. So this is actually easier. You move your second finger up to the 5th string. So instead of like having to start from scratch again, like do this C and then go C over B, see that? What you could do is C and then move this second finger up, see there, to the 5th string, take off your 3rd finger. So you got C, C over B. So you got to take off your 3rd finger to make that 2nd fret. So C, C over B, then A minor. So put these 2 fingers in the middle strings. That's it. So you're keeping that 1st finger in place. So you got C, C over B, A minor. And then you've got an A minor over G, so you're putting your little finger at the top there. let's have a listen to you playing this line here. So, Rich, do you want to unmute and just go very nice and slow? So, like 1, 2, 3, 4 on the F, and then. Lovely, lovely. Do that again for us. Oh, get that in the right place.
Yeah.
You see, he's not quite right. There you go. That's it. Excellent. So I almost feel you need to slow it down even more to just get everything in time.
Yeah.
But I mean, you've got the chords, you've got it there. So I would be going like on the C, C over B, A minor over G. Okay, let's have a little go through it then. And if you don't manage to fully keep up, don't worry. You've got the recording to come back to. Let's go from this A minor in the intro. So it's A minor to F. I know we haven't done the intro, but if you want to leave it out, that's fine. So let's go from this A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor to F, and then to C, and then G, to C, to the verse. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. To G, I know it's been coming to C for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know shining down like water. And then to the chorus, I'll go a bit slower. So F to G, and then C, C over B, A minor over G. We'll do that again. F. I wanna know G, and C. Ever seen the rain? F again. To G, wanna know, then C. You ever seen the rain? And then to F. Coming down on a sunny day. C. Let's have a little go at the. What I might do is slow it down when it comes to the chorus. So from this C, this is the second verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, G. Been that way for all my time. Third line. To forever on it goes, through the circles fast and slow, and I know, and it can't stop wondering. And then chorus will go slow now, so you ready? F, 1, 2, 3, 4 to G, 1, 2, 3, and then C, C over B, A minor to G, A minor over G, then F to G, then to C, C over B, A minor over G, and then F to a G, and then C. And it plays that twice. Okay. Right, that's time, everyone. It's gone really quick, that. Michael, how have you found tonight? You want to unmute a second?
Yeah, I enjoyed it, mate. It was
Oh, so enjoyable. I love the picking. Again, challenging. and you know, the play along at the end, the jamming. It's just, yeah, it's great. The format, you never know. I love the bit where you listen to us as well,
Yeah.
and give us feedback, obviously.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, it's all flowing nicely.